Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Tesla Cybertruck out of Lego. First, gather your Lego bricks, focusing on gray and black pieces for the body. You'll need a sturdy base plate, ideally around 16 by 32 studs, to support your build. Begin by establishing the Cybertruck's distinctive wedge profile using various sloped bricks and plates. This initial step sets the foundation for the entire model, so take your time to get the angles right. Now, let's add some key features to your Cybertruck. Use clear or translucent black bricks to form the angular windows, capturing the vehicle's unique glass design. Next, focus on the flatbed area, making sure it looks sleek and open, ready for any Lego cargo. Don't forget to include smaller details like the side mirrors and subtle door lines to enhance realism. These elements truly bring your model to life. Moving on, it's time to add the wheels and a basic interior. Select 4 large, sturdy wheels that complement the Cybertruck's rugged aesthetic and attach them firmly to the chassis. For the interior, construct a simple cabin featuring a steering wheel and 2 seats. Make sure your wheels are securely mounted and can roll smoothly, allowing your Lego Cybertruck to cruise across any surface with ease. For the final touches, let's illuminate your creation. Use small, colored transparent bricks to represent the headlights and taillights, giving your Cybertruck a realistic glow. Take a moment to reinforce any weak points in the structure, ensuring your model is durable and ready for display or play. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Your completed Lego Cybertruck is now ready to impress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.